Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wooden spools is probably one of the most versatile and underappreciated items you can find. These large wooden spools, once essential for industrial tasks, have transformed into a creative resource for DIY enthusiasts and interior designers. From rustic furniture to unique decor, their potential is vast. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wooden spools, exploring their uses, and helping you find the perfect one for your next project. Number 5. Woodpeckers 2x1 to 1 2-inch wooden spools. Choosing the right craft supplies is important. These 2x1 to 1 2-inch wooden spools are pre-sanded and made of sturdy birch. It easily takes paint, glue, and fabric, so you can focus on your project. You can create anything from wooden dolls to mini vases with these spools. Pair them with wood spindles for a charming vintage decor. The possibilities are endless with this product. These unfinished wood spools are perfect for rainbow sorting and stacking activities. They can also be used as an abacus to help kids learn math. It's a fun and educational tool for everyone. Take a break from the holiday stress and create dazzling decorations. Gather your family and let everyone contribute to making ornaments, garlands, and wreaths. This is a great way to spend time together. At Woodpeckers, we love crafting with wood. We enjoy bringing you delightful wooden craft supplies. We also love seeing your creative creations. Contact us if you have any questions about it. What we like. This wooden spool is made of pre-sanded birch wood, ready for your creative touch. It's perfect for DIY projects, from dolls to ornaments. If you're looking for a fun family activity during the holidays, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Sturdy and well-made. Perfect for all sorts of crafts. Great for holding ribbon. Number 4. Bright Creations Wooden Spools, Crafting and DIY Projects. Introducing these versatile wooden spools from Bright Creations. They are perfect for all your DIY projects. The smooth surface is ready for your personal touch. Measuring at 0.75 by 1 inches, these spools are designed for various materials. They are ideal for holding thread, twine, or wire, adding versatility to your craft supplies. With 50 spools included, you'll have plenty for all your creative endeavors. Whether you're crafting ornaments or building toys, they provide endless possibilities. Crafted from natural Skima wood, these spools are both sturdy and aesthetically pleasing. They serve as a reliable foundation for your projects. Tailored for adult crafting, these spools provide an engaging outlet for creativity. From home projects to school assignments, they enhance any artistic venture. What we like. These spools are crafted from smooth Skima wood, perfect for customization. With a bulk set of 50, it provides ample supply for various projects. If you are an adult looking for a versatile crafting essential, consider this. What people say. I put a Christmas tree in the hole and made it like a stand. They are amazing good quality for the money and they perform exactly as I hoped. Pieces are solid, smooth, durable. Number 3. OLYCRAFT 20 PCS Wooden Empty Thread Spools. This package includes 20 wooden empty thread spools. They are about 1.2 inches wide and 2 inches long, which is enough for your daily use. These spools are made of high-quality solid wood. The surface has been carefully polished to ensure that it will not damage your wire. These spools are unfinished, allowing for your free creation. You can paint, stain, or embellish them for decorative purposes. These wooden spools can hold thread, twine, bobbin, cord, wire, and many other items. It's a versatile tool for various needs. The center of the wooden shaft is perforated, making it easy to fix. You can also enlarge the diameter of the hole according to your needs. What we like. Made of solid wood, these spools are durable and reliable. The center is perforated for easy fixing, and it can hold thread, wire, and more. If you need a versatile and easy-to-use spool for your crafting needs, choose this one. What people say. Sturdy and well-made. Perfect for my crafting needs. Great for holding various types of string and ribbon. Number 2. Bright Creations Wooden Spools, 72-pack. Introducing Bright Creations Wooden Spools. This set of 72 spools is perfect for all your crafting needs. They are ideal for holding ribbon, twine, or thread. Get creative. You can decorate these wooden spools with paint, stamps, or stain. It's a great way to add a personal touch to any project. These spools are made from natural Skima wood, ensuring durability. The smooth surface makes customization easy for any craft. The set includes small, medium, and large spools. This variety gives you the flexibility to handle different crafting requirements with ease. With 72 spools, you'll always have the right size on hand. These are essential supplies for any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. What we like. These spools come in a variety of sizes, catering to diverse crafting requirements. You can decorate them with paint or stain to add a personal touch. If you need a comprehensive set with different sizes for your creative toolkit, this is the one for you. What people say. Good for projects involving miniatures as stands for varying height and such, or sewing-themed projects. Lots of projects to do with these, easy to paint or distress, nice sizes, love that they are wood. Excellent wood spools, nice quality and assortment of sizes. Perfect for crafting. Number 1. Okuna Outpost wood spools, 140-pack assorted sizes. Tired of messy crafting supplies? These wooden spools offer a practical way to organize your sewing thread, twine, and ribbon. They're a great addition to any sewing kit or craft organizer. Get creative with the smooth, unfinished surface. You can paint or decorate them to match your unique style. These spools are perfect for crafting enthusiasts looking to customize their projects. This variety pack includes 140 assorted wooden spools in small, medium, and large sizes. Whether you're sewing or just need general craft storage, it provides ample options for all your needs. Made from solid, splinter-free wood, these spools are built to last. They're perfect for vintage thread or modern designs, and can withstand frequent use without losing quality. The package includes 80 pieces of 0.5-inch spools, 40 pieces of 0.8-inch spools, and 20 pieces of 1.4-inch spools. You'll have the right size for every project with these empty wooden thread spools. What we like. This package includes assorted sizes, perfect for organizing your crafts. The splinter-free finish ensures safety and durability. If you want to keep your crafting supplies neatly arranged and have a variety of sizes, you should consider this. What people say. I use these for all of my chain. I do permanent jewelry as well as make other types of jewelry, and these work perfect for organizing my chain. I wanted the large ones for holding Easter eggs. They look perfect. My husband made a diver the right size for an egg. I wrapped twine on them and they are cute. Well made, smooth wood. Will be fun to paint and glue together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.